Hi techies. Now I am going to demonstrate simple project on guessing game in Python. So you have to guess particular number in between 1 to 100. So if you enter any particular number in between, it is going to prompt congratulations. I am going to explain this code carefully. I am applying the package random. I am using the definition of the function number guessing game. Here I am using the definition of function number guessing name. I am going to use the rand method by invoking the random method, and I am going to start with 0 attempt. I can give any number in between 1 to 100. Now I am applying the conditional statement, and I am going to handling input using inputs, and it is going to increment with 1. Whenever you were getting that congratulations, it is going to count the number of attempts. So here I mentioned in comments as hash, where it is going to call the function name number guessing name, and this is the definition of the function. Now this is one of the practical application for any Python project, and you have to guess any number. I hope it will be useful for your academic or any other application oriented. So let us run this simple example. First, choose some number 1, 2, give any number like 34, and give any 45, 56, suppose 89, height. Suppose if you are giving like, I have given 45, let us give 40, it is low, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 61, 71. So let us choose 70, 69, 68. Yes. So now your test case got passed. So you have guessed the number in 24 attempts. You can try this in very less attempts also. If you are interested, you can optimize this later. This is a simple practical application for number guessing game in Python programming. Now if you give enter, it will come minus one. So let us see this program. So you got like this way. You can close this one. This is a simple code to understand. I hope you understood. Those who those who find interested, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep watching for next coming videos. Thank you for watching.